Welcome back to Set Up Your Online Business series. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you on product launching plan test. The last video I shared with you on fast product creation. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how to launch your product plan. And I'll go through with you step by step on how to do that. If you're interested on setting up your business online, then you must watch this video till the end. Here's step by step on how you can launch your product. First, promote it to a small group of users rather than mass promote it to everyone. Because first step is that you want to get feedback on all these users to know that how good is your so-called MVP. If you doesn't know what's MVP, you can watch this video that I've created before. So MVP basically is minimum viable products. So you want to get this MVP to a small group of users to test it out with the purpose of getting feedback. So step number 2 is voice of customer analysis. So voice of customer analysis means that you want to listen to the voice of the customers, meaning that the feedback of your customers. So from this user group, you may want to send surveys to them and get their feedback and to understand. Maybe you want to sit down one by one or face-to-face to understand how they use your products and how do they feel about your products. Do they benefit from it? Is it user-friendly? So get their feedback. And this is very important because from the feedback, the next step is that we need to do so-called Kaizen. Yeah. Because I teach Kaizen, I'm a lean consultant, so I strongly believe in continuous improvement, which is Kaizen. Yeah? So once we get the voice of customers, we want to use that feedback to improve on our product or services. It depends on what you do. So spend some time improving your product. So when I'm saying product, I mean, it includes services as well. Yeah. Now, fourth step, actually the fourth step and the third step can go concurrently, is that we can do pre-marketing. This is like in a movie, they send out trailers for people to know that the movie is coming. So same thing, this is your product or your service, so-called trailers. So while improving on your product, you may want to send out or you may want to create a buzz and let people know that these, your products or your services is coming so that people get interested and they are anticipating your products. So when you launch, they are ready to grab it. So these are very important. So don't forget these steps. So you can already start marketing even before the product is actually launched to the market. So you can learn from the movie industry because movie industry always do that. Sometimes the trailers were out like 1 year or half a year before they launch the movie. And then number 5th step is mass promoting it or mass market it. I usually love to promote it using social media and using the advertisement. Yeah, like Facebook ads, LinkedIn ads, because when I use the ads, it can find the real targeted group of people that I want and then get it in front of them for me. And it saves me a lot of times. Then I can find out whether these products really appeal to this target group of people or not. So if I want fast result or you want fast result, then this is the way to go. Use the social media advertising. So these are the 5 steps on product launch plan. So when you get ready your MVP, your products creation, then follow these steps to promote your business or launch your product to your target markets. I hope this short video will give you an idea on how to launch your product successfully to the market and make more sales. So if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share with your friend. Now, by the way, if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, we publish weekly content related to online marketing or taking your business online. So if you are a small business owner or entrepreneurs and you would like to learn how to grow your business online or to bring your business online, then you must subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell because when we publish new content weekly, you will be notified. And meanwhile, here's some of the videos you can watch to help you grow your business online. And this is Andrew, and I will see you real soon in my next video.